Hey everyone! You might think that to make a lot of money you need to live in a big city, right? But today, I'm going to share a secret with you. Even in small towns, you can earn a steady and sometimes huge income from jobs that might seem very simple. If you know how to spot and grab opportunities, you'll find chances all around you. Let's explore 12 easy ways to make money no matter where you live. 1. Making handmade items. Candles, jewelry. Have you ever thought that making small, pretty things like scented candles or handmade jewelry at home could turn into a good source of income? It's true! With a bit of creativity and patience, you can turn your crafting hobby into real money. Handmade products are very popular because they're personal and unique, unlike mass-produced items. You can start by selling to friends and family, and then expand to platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, or even Instagram. For example, Thao from Dalat started making scented candles as a hobby, and now has a small shop that's very busy, especially with tourists. 2. Pet sitting. If you love animals, this could be a golden opportunity for you. Many people have pets but are too busy or travel often, so they need someone to take care of their pets. Pet sitting, dog walking, and similar services are in high demand. In other countries, this has become a huge industry with apps like Rover and Wag, providing professional pet care services. In Vietnam, while it's not as common yet, the demand is growing, especially among young families. If you love animals and have some basic experience, you can start offering this service. 3. House cleaning. I know, house cleaning might not seem like the most exciting job, but imagine making hundreds to thousands of dollars just by cleaning houses. In small towns where there aren't many professional services available, you can easily build a list of regular clients. For instance, a friend of mine makes around 10 to 15 million VND a month just by cleaning up after parties or before big holidays. 4. Lawn mowing and gardening. If you enjoy nature and have some gardening experience, this job is perfect for you. Many families in small towns have big yards but don't have the time or skills to maintain them. You can start with simple tasks like mowing lawns and then expand to planting flowers, trimming trees, or even redesigning gardens. Just like with cleaning services, if you do a good job, you'll have plenty of work. I know someone who earns about 5-7 million VND month just by mowing lawns for a few families. 5. Home repairs. In small towns, knowing how to fix simple things like broken locks, faulty lights, or leaky faucets can make you a neighborhood hero. There's always a need for home repairs, but people often don't know who to call. If you can handle small repairs, try offering your services to neighbors and friends. A few happy customers can help you build a solid reputation and get regular work. 6. Interior decoration or wall painting. If you have an eye for design and love painting, consider offering interior decoration or wall painting services. This job is both fun and unique, letting you combine your creativity with earning money. Many small-town cafes and shops are eager for distinctive decorations to attract customers. A friend of mine started by painting murals for a small cafe in her hometown, and now has big projects in cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. 7. Car washing and detailing. In rural or small-town areas, cars get dusty quickly because of the poor roads. This is a great chance for you to start a car washing or detailing service. You just need to invest in some car cleaning tools, and you can offer the service at people's homes or on the go. If you have the skills, you can even offer advanced services like polishing, painting, or ceramic coating, which customers will appreciate. 8. Junk removal and recycling. If you have a small truck or even just a bike with a basket, you can start a junk removal or recycling service. Many people want to get rid of large items like old furniture or broken appliances and are willing to pay for help. Some of the items you collect can even be sold or recycled for extra income. 9. Food truck business. If you love cooking, running a food truck could be a perfect choice. You don't need a fixed restaurant with high costs, just a truck and some special dishes to get started. In small towns where food options might be limited, a tasty and unique meal can attract a lot of customers. Imagine serving food at events, markets, or local festivals to reach a large audience quickly. 10. Digital products. In today's digital age, you can make money by creating digital products. If you can design, write, or create content, you can make ebooks, online courses, or design templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. This type of business is great because you create the product once and can sell it to thousands of people without worrying about production costs. 11. Photography and videography. Offering photography or videography services is also a great way to earn money, especially since people love capturing special moments. From family photos and weddings to event videos, there's always a need. You don't need a huge investment to start, just a good camera and editing skills. If you do a great job, word of mouth will help you find more customers. 12. Blogging or content creation. If you enjoy writing or know a lot about a specific topic, consider starting a blog or making videos on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Blogging can not only help you share your knowledge, but also earn money through ads, affiliate links, or selling your own products. Many bloggers in travel, food, or health niches are making great incomes from their content and followers. See, no matter where you are, with a bit of creativity and a go-getter attitude, you can turn everyday tasks into money-making opportunities. The key is to start somewhere, and you'll gradually find the right path for you. Good luck. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any money-making tips from me.